Welcome. Today in front of me TCL 10 Tab Max, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should open the settings and then tap on the sound section. You can see then here notification volume panel, and just to mute your device notifications you should swipe to the left side, that is blue dot, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. First just press up or down volume button, and then here open full just volume panels section, and by the same way just swipe to the left side notification volume panel. Also you can open all of the settings by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.